John, you've created some incursions that go into classrooms to teach this knowledge and created it so that it's a curriculum of knowledge that builds upon each other so that by the end of doing the oceans incursions, students understand habitats and how individuals play roles within that habitat, and then how those habitats then work together to create the oceans as we know them on Earth. Can you share with us a little bit about these incursions, how they're structured, and how students engage with these topics?
So how I've chosen to structure these incursions was based around focusing on just a singular ecosystem, that being coral reefs, because coral reefs house lots of the ocean's animals at one point or another, and they're also one of the connecting points that connects lots of different habitats together.
Mm.
Um, why I want to focus on just the singular ecosystem is if I can teach how this ecosystem of coral reefs works, as in look at all the different moving parts that makes it, a healthy, balanced ecosystem, then taking that framework and say focusing on another ecosystem, I can then just change the context, change the different animal or the different plants that are there so that the kids can get a bit of a frame of reference and see, okay, this is how an ecosystem works. It takes a bunch of different things, talking about different trophic levels, what, predators that eat consumers and consumers that eat plants. These concepts apply to all ecosystems. It just might have different animals. But
Yeah.
my idea with doing it in this way is it won't bog kids down on big information overloads. That's where I can then go into a bit more about the science, the explaining how, and taking in little tidbits of information so that it's not so overwhelming.